This is why people lose money in the stock market. And if you do this one thing, you'll be better off than most investors. And it's very easy and it requires zero effort on your part. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do that will put you in the top echelon of investors. This is also how billionaires think and what I teach my students and clients when they work with me. So just give me a few minutes and you'll walk away with the best and proven stock market investing strategy. And to help with that strategy, I want to give you a free worksheet showing you what your investments could look like if you do this one thing. Just comment worksheet below and I'll hook you up with a direct link. No email or opt-in required. It's a freebie for watching this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michelle Hung. I'm the author of Investing for Teens, How to Save, Invest, and Grow Money. And I am a fee-only financial planner. I've taught thousands of people how to plan for their financial future and invest in the stock markets to build a lifetime of wealth. And what I teach my students and clients is the proven and best strategy to investing in the stock market. And by implementing the strategy, you will be able to distinguish yourself from the losers of investing. And trust me, there are a lot of losers out there. It is very simple. And this one thing that you need to do is to stay invested. Time in the markets is way better than timing the markets, no matter what is happening out there in the world. When you're investing your money, the best thing for you to do is just to leave it alone. It doesn't matter if there is a war going on, if it's an election year, if we're in a recession or a depression, staying invested is the best thing to do for your money. And that's because it is impossible to time the markets or predict what will happen in the future. Naturally, we as human beings behave very contrary to this strategy. That is, when the stock markets are doing poorly, when prices drop, people panic, they get scared, and they sell their investments and stash it away in cash because they want to feel safe. But that just means they just locked in guaranteed losses on their investments. That's how people lose money. And then when the stock markets start to look better, when prices start going up again, people start investing again. This is timing the markets and again, how people end up buying high and selling low, a sure way to lose money. Time in the markets, that is leaving your investments alone and staying invested, is the best and easiest thing to do. You literally have to do nothing. You just stick with your strategy of investing consistently every month. And the best part is, even though stock prices are dropping, at the very minimum, you're still collecting dividends from companies. That is the profits that are paid out to investors. Consider that a reward for staying invested. And those dividend payments are certainly higher than the interest that you are earning in your savings account. So if you want to see how much you could be earning on your investments by staying invested, I'm going to hook you up with this free worksheet. Just comment worksheet below and I'll send you a DM. No email or opt-in required. Again, it's a freebie for watching this video.